Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on data saver on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First, click on these three lines here. Now click this settings icon, and here as you see we'll find data saver. Click on it, and here click like this, and as you see it will be turned on. And that's it. That's how to turn on data saver on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.